Guys, you're not going to believe this. This is a hailstorm we're in right now. No joke. Absolutely no joke. I mean, look at this. Look at this. This is actual hail coming in. No offense, but I am really freaked out about this. I'm scared there may be a tornado coming. I know that's usually, hail is one of the signs you have to take to keep an eye on, because half the time a tornado hits an area, that hailstorm comes before the tornado, and if it gets worse overnight, that tells me enough. We need to get out and get out now. Pray for me, y'all, because if the worst comes, this video is going to be all that there is left. And I'm not acting. This is for freaking real. Wait a minute. It sounds like it's subsiding. I could be wrong. But I could be wrong. Let me pause the video.
That's what bothers me.
Same. Back here now. Huh. Yeah. God almighty. That has to be dime-sized hail.
Come on, I want to see some wind. Stay calm, blow.
Why? Is that a sign to let you...
Move. Back in the house.
Why? Well, there's something eerie. Freaking fog. Is that farther? Oh my God, man.
Hey, it looks ugly.